Rice cooking is more difficult than it seems, as anyone who has ever had half-raw grains or mushy clumps knows. A decent rice cooker can help with that. In addition to saving time, these convenient devices ensure consistently excellent, fluffy rice. The nice part is that modern rice cookers are more than just one-trick ponies. They are now true multitaskers in the kitchen, capable of steaming vegetables, preparing soups, and even baking cakes. Therefore, we've compiled a list of the top rice cookers that combine smart technology, convenience, and versatility, whether you're cooking for a large family or just yourself. Stay tuned, click the subscribe button to become a member of the Legit Pick family, and let's get started. Number 7. CUCKOO Rice Cooker. One of those gadgets that can actually make life easier if you eat rice frequently is the CUCKOO 6-Cup Rice Cooker. With its 6-cup uncooked capacity, it may be used for cooking for a single person, a couple, or the entire family. Cooking and cleaning are made easy with the non-stick inner pot, detachable cover, and self-cleaning feature. No more scraping burned granules from the pan's bottom. Its adaptability is what truly makes it stand out. With a few button presses, you can prepare more than just basic white rice. You can also make brown rice, oats, baby food, and even steam other dishes. Its delay timer, keep warm setting, and quick cook option make it particularly useful for hectic families. Its fuzzy logic technology, which essentially thinks for you, is the hidden weapon here. It delivers dependably fluffy, precisely cooked rice by automatically adjusting the temperature and time. It's nearly infallible, so there's no need to guess or struggle with uneven textures anymore. On the other hand, although its size is ideal for large families, someone who cooks infrequently may find it heavy. Additionally, because it is an electric appliance with several settings, there may be a slight learning curve for new users. However, you'll probably find it much more convenient than conventional cooking techniques once you get the hang of it. Number 6. Kasori Rice Cooker. More than just a rice cooker, the Kasori 10-Cup Rice Cooker is a miniature multi-purpose kitchen assistant that you can keep on your counter. It's ideal for families or anyone who enjoys cooking in large quantities because of its large capacity. It is unique in that it has 18 functions that allow you to cook different kinds of rice, grains, and oats, as well as sauté, steam, or slow-cook soups. It is a true multi-cooker not only for rice. Its fuzzy logic technology is one of the features. This feature eliminates the need for you to constantly monitor the pot by automatically adjusting the temperature and cooking time through a 7-step process. The outcome? Regardless of your level of culinary expertise, you will always get perfectly fluffy, evenly cooked rice. The daily timer and 24-hour keep warm feature are invaluable for people with hectic lifestyles. When you get home in the morning, the rice will be warm and fresh. Additionally, the quick rice setting allows you to quickly prepare white rice without sacrificing texture or flavor if you're in a hurry. It's also easy to clean up because the removable cover and non-stick ceramic inner pot are dishwasher safe. You can spend more time enjoying your cuisine and less time cleaning. However, because it has so many features, it may initially feel a little overwhelming, and its bulk may take up counter space. However, as you get used to it, the convenience and versatility quickly surpass those minor inconveniences. Number 5. Zojirushi Rice Cooker. One of those rice cookers that seems to have been made to eliminate cooking guesswork is the Zojirushi NS-TSC10. It is perfect for small to medium-sized households because of its 5.5-cup uncooked capacity. Its microcomputerized fuzzy logic technology, which automatically modifies cooking temperatures and timings, is the true magic. This means you won't have to worry about your rice being overcooked or undercooked because it will always be fluffy and cooked to perfection. It's not just a rice cooker either. It can be used as a food steamer for veggies, dumplings, or even light dinners because of its steam menu setting. Your food will remain hot and fresh until you're ready to eat, thanks to the automated keep warm, extended keep warm, and reheating cycles. This is a lifesaver on hectic days. The 2 programmable delay timers, which allow you to precisely schedule when the rice will be ready, are another considerate feature. Cleaning is very simple. While the inner pot and lid require hand washing, the exterior of the clear-coated stainless steel is easy to clean and long-lasting. Convenience and appeal are added by features like the retractable power cable and even the ability to select between a melody and buzzer signal. Its size can make it unsuitable for big parties, and compared to dishwasher-safe models, hand-washing parts could seem like more labor. Still, it's a good option for anyone looking for anything more than a simple rice cooker because of its dependability, adaptability, and dependably excellent outcomes. Number 4. Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker. The Toshiba Mini Rice Cooker is a small, powerful gadget that offers a lot of culinary versatility. It is the ideal size for single people, couples, or small families that don't want a large machine taking up their counter space, with an uncooked capacity of 3 cups. It has 8 distinct cooking modes, including porridge, slow cooking, cake, and brown and white rice, despite its compact size. This implies that you can make more than simply rice. You may also make oatmeal, stews, soups, and even try making sweets. Fuzzy logic technology, which detects moisture levels levels and automatically modifies cooking time and temperature is one of its greatest advantages. This eliminates all uncertainty and ensures consistently fluffy, uniformly cooked grains or rice. Even for novices, it is easy to operate because of the one-touch controls and intuitive LED display. You may plan meals in advance or savor hot food for a long time after it has been prepared, thanks to the 24-hour delay timer and keep warm feature. The non-stick inner pot and detachable steam components make cleanup relatively simple, although hand washing is necessary, which may seem less practical than dishwasher-safe alternatives. Positively, it was made with safety in mind. Features like a lid lock, automatic shutoff, detachable power line, and overheating prevention makes cooking worry-free. Its lesser capacity, which might not be sufficient for larger homes, is the only drawback. But this Toshiba model offers a perfect combination of convenience and functionality for anyone looking for a small, dependable, and multi-purpose rice cooker. Number 3. Aroma One Touch Rice Cooker. The Aroma 6-Cup Rice Cooker is a simple, easy-to-use kitchen tool that completes tasks without adding unnecessary complexity. It is ideal for couples, small households, or anyone who simply needs enough rice without making a large batch because of its 3-cup uncooked capacity. The finest aspect? Any type of rice will work, whether you like brown, white, basmati, or jasmine. Its ease of usage is its greatest selling point. Pressing a button and letting it do the rest is known as a simple one-touch procedure. When the rice is cooked, it immediately changes to keep warm, so if you're not ready to eat right away, you don't have to worry about it becoming cold or drying out. Because this small cooker can do more than simply cook rice, the tempered glass cover also allows you to peek in while it cooks, which is perfect for monitoring soups, stews, or even chili. Another benefit is cleaning. Cleaning doesn't become a chore thanks to the detachable and easily hand-washable non-stick inner pot. To make it even more practical for daily usage, it also includes a serving spatula and measurement cup. Of course, there are some trade-offs associated with simplicity. It lacks sophisticated features like fuzzy logic technology, multiple cooking modes, and delay timers. If you want greater versatility, that could feel restrictive, but the Aroma rice cooker is a good, easy-to-use choice for anyone looking for a cheap, portable, and dependable way to cook rice and simple meals. Number 2. COMFEE Rice Cooker. In addition to cooking rice, the COMFEE 10-Cup Rice Cooker is a full-featured smart cooker that simplifies meal preparation for time-pressed households. With its roomy 10-cup uncooked, 20-cup cooked capacity, it's ideal for parties, big families, and anyone who enjoys cooking in large quantities. This cooker's 6-step smart cooking technique, which uses fuzzy logic technology to regulate heat and steam, is its main feature. It eliminates guesswork and guarantees consistently fluffy, precisely cooked rice. Its adaptability is what really appeals to people. Beyond white or brown rice, you can prepare sushi, pasta, soups, stews, sautéed foods, and even steamed veggies with its 11 preset programs. Because of its adaptability, it may effortlessly take the place of other kitchen gadgets. The 12-hour keep warm feature and 24-hour delay timer allow you to plan ahead and still enjoy hot, ready-to-eat meals whenever you choose, while the LED display makes things simple. Because of the retractable steam valve that keeps things from clogging and the non-stick inner pot, cleaning is rather simple. It is dependable for daily use thanks to safety features like a locking lid, a detachable power cord, and overheating prevention. It does not require hand washing instead of throwing parts in the dishwasher, and because of its bigger size, it may feel cumbersome if you have limited counter space. Nevertheless, this COMFEE model offers a lot in a single machine for people who appreciate ease, adaptability, and the capacity to prepare meals for a large group of people. Number 1. KitchenAid Grain and Rice Cooker. A smart cooking system designed for individuals who enjoy variety in their meals, the KitchenAid Grain and Rice Cooker is more than just your typical rice cooker. It's ideal for families or anyone who likes to try out different grains because of its 8-cup capacity. This cooker's integrated scale and water tank are what really set it apart. It administers the precise amount of water required after automatically detecting how much rice, grains, or beans you have put in. No more measuring cups, no more guesswork, simply consistently well-balanced cooking. Additionally, it has 21 preset settings that allow you to cook a variety of foods, including beans, oats, barley, quinoa, couscous, and farro. This makes it perfect for anyone looking to experiment with healthier or more varied meals instead of just plain rice. Additionally, you can simply prepare a full meal in one sitting by using the supplied steamer basket to cook meat, fish, or vegetables simultaneously. Another good feature is the touchscreen control panel, which makes choosing settings and navigating simple. The delayed cook feature, which is ideal for hectic evenings or meal prep, allows you to set it up ahead of time and have your food ready when you need it. The drawback? Compared to a basic rice cooker, it is larger and more more complicated, which may seem excessive if all you want is simple rice. Additionally, cleanup is more difficult than with dishwasher-safe solutions because the pot needs to be hand-washed. Nevertheless, the KitchenAid model is exceptional if you're looking for accuracy, adaptability, and contemporary ease. And that concludes our list of the best rice cookers, which may transform your cooking from a stressful guesswork process to consistently fluffy, flawless results. There is something here for every kitchen and lifestyle, whether you're looking for a straightforward, hassle-free alternative or a feature-rich smart cooker that can do it all. What was your favorite? Please share your opinions with us in the comments section. If this video was useful to you, please remember to hit the like button, subscribe to Legit Pick, and check back soon for more frank evaluations and wise purchasing advice.